Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into your Google account. Make sure you use your regular password so Google recognizes the device. Once signed in, navigate to Security in your account menu and find two-step verification. You need your phone nearby because Google will ask to verify a code or send a prompt. This ensures you control the second factor. Start the setup now and allow the initial verification step to complete before moving on, so the process stays linked to your device. Once in two-step verification, you'll pick how you want to receive codes. Choose Google Prompt for convenience or install an Authenticator app for time-based codes. Scan the QR code with the app or manually enter the provided key. After confirming the first code, add backups, generate printable backup codes, register a second phone number, or set up a USB security key. These backups keep you out of lockout situations, so make sure at least 2 recovery methods are active before proceeding. Now toggle two-step verification on and test signing out then back in so you verify the workflow. Make sure you store backup codes in a safe place and register a secondary number or security key. This completes your protection. If anything goes wrong, first try your stored backup codes or the alternate phone. If those fail, start Google's account recovery and answer verification prompts carefully. Keep your recovery options updated to prevent future lockouts and revisit settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.